Welcome back to another episode of Greg's Carport. What we're going to do today is we're going to go get some new tires for the Explorer. The tires that are on here are old and they're half bald and we need some new ones. Luckily what we did is we found a 2002 Ford Explorer that's being donated that actually has good tires on it. So we're going to get a set of tires for free. And since I'm not really in love with these rims, we're just going to switch rims and tires for rims and tires. We're going to make it easy. So let's go check it out and see what you guys think. You stupid car! Alright, so we're over here. So this is our Explorer. And you can see the wheels that are on this one. They were just the base XLT wheels that came with the car. And now here are the wheels and tires. So this is a 2006 and this is a 2002. Now the rims and the tires are exactly the same size between the two, but as you can see the tread on this one versus the lack of tread on this one. So this is just a different style of rim, but I don't mind it. So this one has, you can see the cap on this one. This is the cap that would have come with the car, and it was originally missing two caps. And the guy who owns this had two other caps that they're chrome. So you can see here's the chrome one here. So you can see what the chrome looks like versus the darker one here. So I ordered two new caps and I ordered two additional chrome caps. So when we're done, all four wheels then will have the chrome caps on them. And so anyway, so this is the 2002. It's got the V8 engine in it, but it's shot. There you can see this one here without its cap on it. And so this is what we're going to do. So we're going to swap these rims and tires as one piece onto this one. Originally we were going to take off, two at a time, take them to the tire store, have them take off the tire, put on a tire, take off the tire, put on a tire, and I said, you know what, I'm not really in love with these rims to begin with. They're just factory rims. So let's just take the rim and the tire, make it a lot easier on us. So there you have it. We got the new rims. Well, they're used rims. They just came off of a different Explorer. And we got the tires on it now. So the tires are much better. We got a lot more tread on them. So the whole deal, I got the rims and the tires for free. All it cost me was trading off the old rims and the old tires off of this onto the vehicle they're going to donate. So I have to order two more chrome caps, center caps, and that's going to be about $35. So for about $35 and for about an hour and a half of our time, trading out the tires off this onto the other one and so back and forth. So for about $35 we got a good set of tires on this thing. So maybe if you're looking for a set of tires, maybe find someone who's donating a car similar to yours and see if they got some parts on there that you need, and maybe you can swap off your part for their part if they're donated it anyway. So it's an idea. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.